Watch how easy it is to transform a plain slate coaster into a stunning, professional-looking, custom laser-engraved masterpiece. You can grab these blank coasters on Amazon for less than $1 a piece and quickly engrave them to sell for 5 to 10 times that amount. Now that's how you make money the easy way with your WeCreat Vista laser engraver. Place your slate coaster underneath the red dot. This dot is where the laser will measure the depth of your material. Leave the lid of the machine open. This is a file I'll be using for my project. I found it on Creative Fabrica's website, my go-to place for all of my fonts and designs. With the all-access subscription, you get unlimited downloads. All you have to do is click the big green download button and save it to your computer. Their memberships are super cheap, only $3.99 a month, and their files come with a commercial license, which is what you need if you want to sell projects using designs that you didn't create yourself. After you save the file, open up the WeCreat MakeIt software. Click the refresh button, and then you will be able to see a live image of your material inside the laser. Then click Auto Measure. The camera will measure how thick your material is. This may take a few moments. Now we need to select our material. Click Material, then select Slate. Click Slate Stone in 7 millimeters. Then click Continue. Now we can import our design. Click on Import on the left toolbar, select your file, and click Open. The file imported really big, so we need to shrink it down. Highlight the whole design, and you can shrink it down by using the corners or by using the scale at the top. I'm using the scale. I entered 3, so it shrinks it down to 3 inches. The design is black and hard to see since everything else is black, so to make it easier to see, we can click a brighter color from the bottom. Now we can drag it over our coaster and resize it exactly how we want it. You can zoom in closer to see better. I want to personalize these with a name, so I'm going to click on Text, then type Adamczyk Farm. I wasn't sure if I wanted all the text to be on one line or two, so I played around with it. That's what's so nice about having a laser like this with a camera. You can see exactly how your project will look on the screen. You can also change the font right here. Let's try Noto Rashi Hebrew. That looks pretty good. Now I can move things around and resize them until they look perfect. I want to make sure that everything is perfectly centered. First, I'm going to highlight the cow and click Merge, then Merge Graphic Shapes. This will make the cow all one piece. Since I uploaded an SVG, it's actually made out of a bunch of different pieces, so if I tried to center everything without merging it first, it wouldn't work. After merging the cow, I'm going to highlight the cow and the name and click Align, and then Align to Center. Then Merge, Merge Graphic Shapes. Now the cow and all the names are all one piece. Double check that you have Fill Engrave selected. You don't need to change any of these material settings since we selected Slate earlier. That's it. Now we're ready to click Start. The software estimates that it will take 7 minutes and 30 seconds to complete this project. Click Send. Now the software prompts us to close the lid and press Start on the machine. While you watch the laser do its magic, let's talk about the incredible early bird deals going on right now for this brand new machine. If you don't have the WeCreat Vista yet, now's the perfect time to buy one. Since it was just released, you can score it for almost half price. The Vista 10-watt basic pack is just $6.99 during the early bird special, and after October 14th, it goes back up to $13.99. The best part, you don't need to pay the full amount right away. You can secure this deal with a $20 refundable deposit, locking in the price before October 14th. If you change your mind, you can get your $20 deposit back after October 22nd. For those wanting to go all in, check out the Vista 10-watt Deluxe Pack. It includes the Vista 10-watt, air assist, rotary, risers, a 2-watt infrared module, and starter materials like acrylic, PU leather, and wood, all for just $12.99 during this early bird special. That's a huge savings off the regular $25.99 price. Since I am part of their affiliate program, I'll earn a small commission at no additional cost to you if you make a purchase through my link. Not sure if the 10-watt Vista, 20-watt Vision, or 40-watt Vision is right for you? Head over to my blog at cricketer.com for a full comparison. Plus, don't forget to join our Facebook group community, where nearly 4,000 members are ready to share tips and project ideas. After seeing how amazing this first coaster turned out, I decided to batch engrave the other 3 to create a cute set. Just place the coasters inside the laser, leave the lid open, and head over to the WeCreat MakeIt software to click refresh. Now we can see all 3 coasters on the screen. Import and resize your designs until they look right. In about 16 minutes, I'll have a complete set of personalized farmhouse decor ready to list on my Etsy shop. If you like this video and want to see more fun WeCreat Vista laser engraving tutorials, check out this next video on how to laser engrave 40-ounce tumblers using the rotary attachment. Turn on your notifications because I'll be uploading tons of exciting new WeCreat Vista tutorials very soon. Let me know in the comments what projects you want to learn how to make with your new laser engraver. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.